Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Thank you for great opportunity to us to presenting our paper titled A Wallet in Technology Readiness Index Perspectives and Technical Support in the third International Conference on Banking, Accounting, Management, and Economics. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vika Harisa Putri. I'm from Accounting Department, and my co-author is Mr. Nurwianta from Management Department and Miss Sinta Agustin from Accounting Department. Before starting this presentation, I would like to say thank you to Faculty of Economics and Business, Janabadra University, for supporting this opportunity, and to our partner Mr. Nurwianta and Miss Sinta Agustin for the great collaboration. Okay, I will start with the background of the research. The widespread use of technology, especially financial technology, has forced individuals who were initially unprepared to accept cultural change to become individuals who must instantly become ready to use them. In this condition, there is a pressure that change that level of acceptance of technology into readiness, transforming from acceptance to readiness. The acceptance consists of two elements. The first is ease of use and the second is usefulness. And readiness consists of two elements. The first is innovation and the second is optimism. Meanwhile, the using of a wallet is more likely to aim at comforting consumer, so we use Circle as combined in the research model as technical support element. Optimism can be defined as a positive attitude toward technology and beliefs that technology will increase control, flexibility, and efficiency in life. Previous research related to the adoption of M-payment shows that perceived ease of use and the perceived usefulness affect the technology acceptance. Meanwhile, the optimism affecting perceived convenience and perceived usefulness. In the other side, innovation is defined as the result of developing the use or mobilization of knowledge, skill, including technological skills and experience, to create or improve new product and system which provide meaningful or significant value, and to be at the forefront of technology. Okay, go to the next slides. The technical support consists of two elements. The first is assurance and the second is reliability. Assurance is the ability of people of the company to serve consumers, so the trust and confidence are built. Also includes the credibility of people in carrying out certain fields of work and courtesy. Assurance is one of the contributors to satisfactions, which in turn will affect the intention to use. Reliability is defined as the company's ability to fulfill promises completely, precisely, and accurately to consumers for the product offered. The company's ability to meet the dimension of reliability directly creates customer satisfaction. Based on our prior brief, we propose the hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, optimism has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallets. Hypothesis 2, innovation has a positive effect of the intention to use the e-wallet. Hypothesis 3, assurance has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallets. And hypothesis 4, reliability has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallet. And the next slides is show our research model. Next slide is talking about research methodology. The data collection is using survey with questionnaire distributed to respondents using Google Form. And the measurement steps. This research developed multi-item measures for each construct through the following process. First, all the constructs and the corresponding measurement item were developed by adapting the relevant and existing literature to suit the study's theme and context. Second, improved by the literature review, 22 items for 5 constructs are finally selected. For all measurement items, a 5-point Likert scale was used with anchor ranging from strongly disagree and strongly agree. The study analyzed and following 2 dimensions of the Technology Readiness Index. The first is reliability, consists of 2 items. The second is assurance, consists of 6 items, and optimism consists of 5 items, and innovativeness consists of 6 items, and 2 dimensions of technical support. Reliability consists of 5 items, assurance consists of 3 items, which were modified from Gejic and Bolaki for the technical support, and Parasuraman and Colby for technology readiness, and 2 items for dependent variable intention to use were adapted from Venkatesh. Skill development and data validation. The population that is taken is all merchants that provide non-cash payment, especially e-wallet services such as GoPay, OVO, Linkaja, Dana, and so on. The sampling method used in this study was purposive sampling. Samples of merchants selling food and beverage in mall located in Jogja province, especially merchants who use e-wallets in their transaction. And data analysis using multiple regression with SPSS. Before interpreting the regression result, basic assumptions underlying the model were checked. For example, there should not be any multicollinearity. The assumption is checked in SPSS with the variance inflation factor or VIF and tolerance. A second assumption is a homoscedasticity. This result can be checked by making regression plot of the residual. Next, the assumption of independent error or a lack of autocorrelation can be tested with the Durbin-Watson test. The Durbin-Watson test value is 1.95, which is so close to 2, and the assumption has certainly been met. The last assumption is the error should be normally distributed, which can be checked by the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test value is 0.439 above 0.05 as normality value standard, based on which it can be concluded that the error are normally distributed. In the next slide, the table shows that all the independent variables are significant except the reliability. So, the research finding is optimism has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallets is supported. The second, innovation has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallets is supported. The third, assurance has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallet is supported. And the fourth, reliability has a positive effect on the intention to use e-wallet is not supported. And here we go to the last slide. This research shows that innovativeness and optimism as determinant in technology readiness supported intention to use e-wallet, Because without sufficient readiness in technology, somebody cannot use an e-wallet and optimize the feature available. The intention also supported with technical support from an e-wallet service provider, especially the support that assurance such as sharing their knowledge about the e-wallet feature and solving their specific problem accurately. This study will be beneficial for the service provider to make a continuous improvement in maximizing e-wallet feature and introduce their recent work massively to the e-wallet user. Thank you for your attention.